Hi guys, Ancient Warrior. Welcome back to Prepping and Free America. If you like what you hear here, hit the subscribe button. If you want to be the first kid on your block to know what craziness I'm talking about next, hit the bell icon with all. And leave comments. I don't know how to take the channel, which way to take the channel, if you're not telling me what you're thinking. Mercy, mercy, mercy. Let me relay a story to you that I think I told you back a year or so ago. But it came to mind yesterday, and I'll explain why. In my last video, I told you I went to the grocery store yesterday. Well, I was getting some cheek meat. The lady was looking at the price of it. She said, "How do you cook it?" And I told her. And I use very uncomplicated terms for most people, because, you know, cooks today just don't have the wherewithal that they used to have, especially these young ones. But what I told her was how to cook it, and I let it go. A few minutes later, I'm over by the ramen noodles. And family over there, and they're loading up 5 or 6. They got a flat cart, and they're loading up 5 or 6 cases of ramen. And the old boy and his wife were sitting there. And their, I guess, oldest boy made the comment, "Do we have to eat these things? Can't we do better?" And I kind of looked at him, and he saw me looking and kind of looked away, kind of funny. And I looked at him, and I couldn't resist. I asked him, I said, "I take it you don't like ramen?" "No, sir, I don't." "How come?" "It just don't taste very good." And I kind of chuckled, looked at his mom and dad, and grinned a little bit, and I said, "You're not cooking it right." And both mom and dad and the kid and little sister all looked at me like I had 3 heads. And Dad looked at me and says, "What do you mean we're not cooking it right?" And I said, "Well, 1 pack of ramen should be a complete meal for you. 1 pack of ramen should be a complete meal for both kids." Again, they looked at me like I had 3 heads. So I told them, I said, what you've got to do is, ramen was never meant to be eaten alone. And Mom looked at me and said, "How would you fix it?" And I said, "How do I fix it?" And she looked at me and she says, "You eat ramen." And I said, "Yeah, I love it." On this channel, starting starting here in the next few days. We're going to do ramen week. I'm going to cook ramen various ways. We're going to have kimchi ramen. We're going to have vegetable ramen, shrimp, garlic ramen. We're going to have all kinds of different ramen. Now, you're only going to see the finished product. And the reason you're only going to, because I could make a video 30, 40 minutes long and nobody would watch it. Or they'd watch half of it and fall asleep. Or get tired of watching me. No, I'm not like Aaron and Claire over in Seoul, South Korea. He's young and nice looking, and she's real pretty, and they're easy on the eyes. I'm an old guy. I'm not too easy on your eyes, but I will tell you how to do things. So in the next few days, you're going to start seeing cooking videos. We're going to cook with ramen. We're going to cook with rice. I was just watching one of Aaron and Claire's videos on a chicken soup, Korean chicken soup, that I really liked. Also, he was doing one on chicken rice stew, which looks really amazing. So I'm going to do it. And in every one of my videos that I'm doing, I'm going to tell you where I found this recipe. I'm not one of those folks who, I'm not a glory hound. I don't care. I want you to look at other people's videos. I want you to learn. See, that's what this channel's supposed to be about. Not about me talking politics. Not about me, being stupid about what the government's doing. Because I can't change it. I got thinking the other day, what can I change and what can't I? Well, I sure as heck can't change what the government's doing. That's like changing the direction of the wind. You're just not going to get it done. So, with that being said, folks, next few days we are going to start cooking ramen. I might even wear my ramen shirt. So, with that being said, I'm the Ancient Warrior. Welcome back, and have a blessed day. And remember, if you're prepping, you're going to live free. And have a blessed day.